Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to set custom avatar in Call of Duty Mobile. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Call of Duty application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Call of Duty if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the, of course, achievements. And in the bottom left corner, we have your store. In the top right corner, we have, as you can see, the settings, and the start button for a game, of course, is in the bottom right corner. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and set custom avatar in Call of Duty Mobile. So first of all, launch the game on your device, as I told you in the start of this video. Then tap on your username at the top left corner on the screen to access your player profile. So basically, you need to go and access your player profile, which you can also have here. Now, when you're in your player profile, what you need to go and do is tap on your current profile image. Choose from the list of available avatars. You can unlock new avatars by leveling up or purchasing them from the in-game store. If you have unlocked a profile frame and calling card, you can also activate them. After selecting your new avatar, tap on the show button to, of course, then go and use that new avatar that you have set up. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you can do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.